Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In these tutorials, I am going to show you how to add free shipping bar in your Shopify online store. If you have started your online business with Shopify, you have designed your Shopify online store with one of the most popular Shopify free theme, that is DOM theme, and you wanted to increase your sales, boost your sales, then this tutorials will be helpful for you. So let's get started. So first of all, I want to show you the result, what we are going to done or what we are going to do. Okay, here is my Shopify online store, and you can see that it looks very carefully. I'm going to open this product, and now I'm going to click on the add to cart. Looks here, you are 680 taka away from free shipping. That's mean if you purchase more for 600 or $6, then you will get free shipping. This feature actually change your client mind to buy more product or add more item on the cart to get free shipping. And also we are going to the backend, where I am going to show you what will be customization section, because we are not going to make any coding complex feature. You can just do it theme customization section. Okay, now I am going to show you the customization section. Here is the customization section, then click on the settings, scroll down, and looks here, free shipping bar by Faisal Ahmed, and show shipping bar in the cart drawer. You have to check mark it, and you can set minimum free shipping. You can set the minimum purchase amount from here to get free shipping. So I hope you understand what we are going to do. So now the question is that how you can do it. The easy step is that first you have to go to my website, e-commerce thesis, and I have already published an article with code snippet of these tutorials. Looks here, how to add free shipping bar to Shopify DOM theme, no app or without app. And I will share this article links in the video description of these tutorials. Here is the details how you can add it. So now I am going to show you the step. First you have to add code in the cart drawer liquid file. Let me show you. First you have to go to your Shopify admin panel. Here is my Shopify admin panel. Then click on the online store. Click on this three dot icon, edit code, search cart drawer.liquid. You can see that here is the file cart drawer.liquid. Open this file. Then you have to search for cart drawer item. Just copy this code line and click on the Ctrl F, Ctrl B, and you can see that here is the cart drawer item, and here you have to add this code. You will get this code in here. Looks here, here is the code that you have to add in here. Then click on the save. Okay, we have done the first step. Then you have to create a new snippet, cart drawer taker.liquid. So I'm going to copy this title, then click on here and open snippet folder, and you can see that I have already created this file cart drawer liquid. Otherwise we have to create it. Okay, then you have to copy this code snippet. Just click on here and paste all the code in here. Click on the save. Okay, we have done step 2. Then the final step, you have to add the following code in the setting schema.json file. So copy this file name and search this file name. Here is the setting schema.json file, and at the end of this file you have to add the following code. Looks here, here is the code, and you will get this code from here. So I have shared all the code snippet in my website, from where you can easily copy all the code step by step. Also, you will get the video guidelines. So I hope you can do everything as your requirement, and you don't have to use any app for that, hire any developer, or you don't have to know any coding skill. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify SEO WordPress, then you can contact with me. And if you have any more question, then you can write on the comment. So thank you for your time. Have a nice day. Bye bye.